Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you, my sweet little champs? Are you okay, my brave, intelligent students? We are going to do our workbook exercises today. Yes, you have to bring your Rockmark English students workbook 3. Yes. Have you brought your workbook 3? Do you remember that we have done very interesting story of Bunny and Bingo in our textbook? We have done comprehensive readings of Bunny and Bingo, and I told you that you were supposed to tell me its comprehension answer questions. So it's your turn to check its comprehension senses. Okay? For this purpose, all of you have to open page number 16. Page number 16 of your workbook 3. Have you opened page number 16? On page number 16, we can see again the interesting picture of our bunny, our very mischievous and naughty bunny, and our stupid and foolish Bingo. Yes, what Bunny and Bingo are doing over here? Yes, it is the very first picture in which Bingo is telling to Bunny his problem of terrible headache. Right? Now you have to tell me that how we have to solve this comprehension exercises. They have given us the names of the characters, and on the other side they have given us the description of these characters, and you will tell me that which description will go to which character. Attentive? I have told you all these things. Now we were having Bunny, mischievous and naughty. We were having Bingo, foolish and stupid monkey, and we were having Mrs. Fat Body, and she was very angry and aggressive sort of lady. Remember? Okay, let's start it. The first exercise of comprehension is it match the characters with their descriptions or characteristics. Descriptions or characteristics. Characteristics are the qualities of any character. Okay. So first character is Bunny. A stupid monkey, had a terrible headache, shouted hee-haw, hee-haw. A mischievous rabbit, very angry, naughty, very silly. Now out of all these options, with which option I have to match Bunny? Please tell me. Bunny is a stupid monkey? No, he is not. Bunny had a terrible headache? No. It was Bingo who was having terrible headache. It wasn't Bunny. Bunny was a mischievous rabbit. Yes, you are right. So match Bunny with mischievous rabbit. It is the fourth option. Understand? Now we have to observe, is there any other characteristic of Bunny? Please read one more time. Very angry. Bunny was very angry. No, he was just laughing and laughing and laughing. He was not angry. Naughty? Yes, he was naughty. So match Bunny with naughty. Very silly? No, he was not very silly. So we will not match with very silly. Understand? Now we will come to the next character. Okay? Okay. And the next character is Mrs. Fat Body. What she was doing over there and what sort of character she was? Mrs. Fat Body was a stupid monkey? No. Had a terrible headache? No. Shouted hee-haw, hee-haw. Very angry? Yes, Mrs. Fat Body was very angry. Match with it for Mrs. Fat Body with the very angry. Okay, is it clear to you? Now the last character is our favorite character, that the silly Bingo. Okay, now rest of all the characteristics will be matched with the silly Bingo. Bingo was a stupid monkey also. Bingo had a terrible headache also. Bingo shouted hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Do you remember? Yes, and Bingo was very silly also. So four characteristics will match with Bingo. Is it clear to you? Now we have to do the next comprehension exercise of page number 17. Open page number 17. Have you opened page number 17? On page number 17, we will do one more activity of comprehension. Over here, we have to circle the correct answers. You will help me to circle the correct answers because the whole story is clear to you. Okay? So, the first sentence is, Bunny liked to play tricks on rabbits, monkeys, his friends. Yes, which is the right option? Bunny used to play tricks with his friends, just with rabbits or just with monkeys. What is the right answer? Please help me. Bunny likes to play tricks on? Yes, you are right. His friends. Take the third option. C. His friends. One morning, Bingo was groaning with wonder, pain, anger. One morning, Bingo was groaning with wonder, pain or anger. He was groaning with pain. He was having a headache now. Headache is a very severe pain. So that's why we will tick B, pain. B option, pain को tick करेंगे. Circle करेंगे आप. Okay. Bingo walked around the tree on his hands, his head, his back. Yes, what is the right answer? He walked around the tree on his hands. Right. Bingo saw in a pot a few leaves, flowers, stones. उसको pot में क्या नजर आया था? He saw some leaves, some flowers or stones. What would be the right answer? The right answer is he saw some flowers. So tick the flowers. The last sentence is in the end of the story. He had a headache. जब story खत्म हुई थी तो किसको headache हुआ था? पहले तो Bingo को हो रहा था ना? So when at the end of the story, who was having headache? Bingo, Bunny or Mrs. Sweetbuddy? Who was having headache at the end of the story? When Mrs. Sweetbuddy threw the pot of the flowers and it hit on the Bingo's head or Bunny's head? Tell me. Bunny, yes, it hit the bunny. वो bunny को जाके बहुत जोर से लगा था. So end पर किसके सर में दर्द हो रही थी? Bunny had a headache. So tick the bunny. Bunny को अपनी सारी शरारतों की सजा मिल गई थी ना. He was making fun of Bingo. So at the end, Bunny was himself having headache. Got it? Now quickly open page number 18. On page number 18, we are going to do one activity of vocabulary. We have to match the words with their meanings. Do you remember? During our comprehension readings, we have already done the drill of the unfamiliar new words. We have already discussed the new vocabulary. So today you have to match these words, their meanings. Okay? What is the first word? The first word is mischievous. Mischievous will match with to speak loudly, very badly, many, naughty. Yes, match the mischievous with naughty. Okay. The second word is groan. Groan means to speak loudly. No. Very bad. No. Many. No. Naughty तो हम already match कर सके हैं. To make a deep sad sound. To make a deep sad sound. Yes, this is groan. Match the groan with its meanings. To make a deep sad sound. Groaning. Got it? So the next word is headache. Headache. To speak loudly. Very bad. A pain in your head. Yes, headache means a pain in your head. Match headache with a pain in your head. Terrible. What is the meaning of terrible? Terrible means very bad. So match the terrible with very bad. Okay. The next word is shout. Shout means the first option to speak loudly. So match the shout with to speak loudly. And what is the last option? The last is a lot of. A lot of will definitely match with many. So match a lot of with many. In this way, we have completed the matching of our vocabulary. Now it's your turn to memorize this vocabulary and to do is drill time and again. Okay. The next activity is again a very interesting and your favorite one activity. In this activity, they have given us some jumbled words and we have to manage these jumbled words and we have to arrange them again into a meaningful proper word. Okay. The letters in the followings are jumbled. Organize the letters to make correct word. The first word will be R, E, N, G, O. What it will be? Yes, please. It is groan. G, R, O, E, N, groan. The second word is headache. And what is the third word? Just think about it. It is Love. Yes, rest of the 3 words you have to do by yourself. But I can give you one surety that these words are also from the same lesson. And you have to search from the same lessons, and these are very easy words. And we have done these words many times during the comprehension readings also and during the other activities. So now it's your turn to revise and memorize these all activities in the proper way and do the preparation of your second assessment. Okay. The next activities and the next pages definitely we will do in our next lectures. You must have to wait for the next lectures. Till that, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.